Hi friends, now only we have to discuss about Susie's oligopoly model, which is also known as Ning demand curve. And maximum time in UGC NET economics in match on the following, you have to find the same question. One part they have to give Ning demand curve and the other side they have to give Susie. Neither in this side they have to give Susie and other side they have to give only Ning. This particular word you have to find maximum time in UGC NET economics exam. Today we have to discuss about what about Suzy's economics model. What about the economics model? Economist Suzy tell about oligopolies. Need means a constant. And when I have to discuss about the chapter, I have to remember my childhood days when I am in first and I come to be in class, I have to take first position and the next I am become second. Everyone just tease me. Hey, previous time you are first, this time second, sometime I come to third position. You are first students and come to third position. At that time, I have to think that a position should we have to maintain. So that we should not be increase more, we should not be decrease more. This point is nothing but the negative. In market also, if for profit purpose only we have to increase the price increase it, some point is there people are not interested to purchase it. So that here we have to see that a need is there, a demand is there, a price is there, a constancy is there. A constancy of output and price is there. Above that is not allowed, below that also not allowed. Got it? And it is given by Paul M. Suzy. We have to know that Suzy's oligopoly model. First, we have to told that it given by Paul M. Suzy. It doesn't deal with the price and output determination. Rather, it seeks to establish that once a price and quantity combination is determined, an oligopoly firm will not find it profitable to change its price even in response to the small changes in the cost of production. वो ये बोल रहे हैं कि प्राइस और आउटपुट की जो बढ़ना कमना प्राइस वार आउटपुट वार वो कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. ये कंस्टेंट प्राइस और क्वांटिटी कम्बिनेशन चाहिए जिसे वो फॉलो करना चाहते हैं. चाहे कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हुए फिर भी वही क्वांटिटी वही प्राइस वो मेंटेन करना चाहते हैं. What about the assumption of the Suzy's oligopoly model? First, heterogeneous goods. Different type of goods are there. Then few sellers are there, not so much and more sellers are there, only few sellers are there. Price are generally fixed, rigid and inflexible and sticky. मीन्स जो प्राइस है वो इतना ज़्यादा ऊपर नीचे नहीं होती है. जो प्राइस होती है वो स्टिकी और फ्लेक्सिबल का मतलब एक ही पैसा होती है, एक ही कॉस्ट होती है, एक ही क्वांटिटी होती है, वो ज़्यादा बढ़ता नहीं कमता भी नहीं. And we have to see the diagram here. This diagram is the important. You have to see that this point is the ning point. Means above the you have to see that elasticity demand is there and below it inelastic demand is there. But this one is the perfect combination of price and quantity. If every firm produce this much of price and this much of quantity, it became so good for market and they have to be in market for a long period without any problem. So according to Paul and Suzy, oligopolist face ning demand curve and set price equal to that need. Up to certain price, everyone will follow suit trend. But beyond the price, no one will follow the suit. That is when one firm decrease the price from P, means price, then all the firms will start decreasing their prices. So increase in demand for their output, with little amount as a result, their total revenue will fall. So no firm will interested to decrease the price. As the downward portion of the demand curve, ning demand is relatively inelastic. No firm is interested to increase the price from a particular price P because whichever time take initiative of increasing the price lead to the drastic fall in the sales because the upper portion of the demand will decay as relatively elastic. As a result, price had take according to ning. जो इतना टाइम धरी जो स्टोरी बोली मैंने, इतना टाइम लेके जो स्टोरी बोली उसका मतलब ये है, ये जो पॉइंट है वो सबसे परफेक्ट पॉइंट है और इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट है जिसको हम निंक्ड बोलते हैं. KINKED. Ninked means here streak is there. Got it? So that what about if we have to go from this point to up, what happen? Nothing happen, only this much is there here. Elasticity of demand is there. If you come below it, inelastic demand is there. Means अगर हम पैसा बढ़ाते प्राइस को बढ़ाते चले, कितना मतलब एक पॉइंट आएगा जो हमारी कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन से भी बहुत कम हो जाएंगे, तो हम प्रोडक्शन नहीं कर पाएंगे। अगर हम पैसा बढ़ाते 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 जाएंगे, तब ऐसे के सिचुएशन आएगा जो कस्टमर खरीदने के लिए मना कर देंगे, इतना पैसा हो रही है, चलो कुछ अल्टरनेटिव देखते हैं। अगर ऐसे हम पैसा घटाते घटाते आएंगे, तो एक सिचुएशन आएगा हम अपने कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन को भी बियर नहीं कर सकते। सो यू हैव टू स्टॉप आवर बिजनेस. So here they told that oligopolists should know that these few sellers are there. They know that they have to make a particular point, a particular need, a particular steep and constant point where they have to decide their price and decide their quantity. Every farm should produce on that price and that quantity only. In the rest part of the Swiss snake model, we have to discuss in the second video.